Hi, my name is Lee Pearlman, and I'm a partner at the law firm of Pearlman. And today I'm going to address the issue of what happens if you are not at fault in an accident, but the other party accuses you of being at fault. Now, this can be a complex situation, and the reason for that is there's a lot of variables that go into what creates an accident and what causes somebody to be, as we define under the law, at fault. And essentially what happens in most cases is there's an accident and law enforcement will respond to the scene and they'll make a determination. Now, I want to be clear about this. Just because law enforcement make a determination that someone is or isn't at fault doesn't mean they're right. It happens regularly because most accidents are not actually observed by law enforcement. They talk to one party, they talk to a witness, they talk to other individuals, and they have to make a call, okay? That is the normal course. That doesn't, again, mean that they're right. And often we challenge those determinations and are successful. Even if they do make that determination, it might not have any relevance to the actual civil lawsuit itself. So, if you've been accused of being at fault, even though you don't believe you are at fault, that does not mean you don't potentially have a claim as well against the party. What it generally requires is an attorney who truly understands litigation and has the ability to build up an actual case for you and to prove, and generally in a civil realm, it is by what we call a preponderance of the evidence. It's a slight tipping the scale that the other party is more likely to be at fault. If we're able to do that, if we're able to show that, then your case is not excluded. We're able to move forward. Clearly, there are a lot of variables that come into play here, and that's something that we have to flush out as we move forward with the case as to exactly what happened, how it happened, what witnesses may or may not be available. Again, sometimes drivers who are at fault will just make the claim, even though it's not accurate, not true, it can't be validated. It doesn't mean that it holds any water whatsoever, and sometimes it just immediately gets dismissed by either an insurance company or a law enforcement officer or whoever might be involved. So, long story short, it doesn't mean that you have any sort of liability just because somebody makes an accusation that you're at fault. If you know you weren't at fault, if you believe you weren't at fault, it's our job to help you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will constantly be posting new updates and information in regards to personal injury, car accidents, and all areas of law that the law firm of Pearlman covers. Thank you.